Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can manage your account settings and preferences in Jetty Spots. So in order to do this procedure, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you just have to go and log in into your Jetty Spots account. And when you open up a browser, type global.jettyspots.com, and that is going to take you to the official page, and then make sure to log in into your account. So the next thing, what you need to do is to customize your preferences and all that. You go to your My Account section. Here you'll be able to see all of your information. So accordingly, you have a lot of information such as contact details, my address, my order, return, all of these. And accordingly, you can go through it and press the edit button and then review all of these and make changes with it. At the same time, you also have to go and verify your account or the changes that you've made. Only then you'll be able to do it. So that is how you can manage your account settings and preferences. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.